I'm Alia. So for today's video I have something fun. It's like I'm doing tongue twisters and I mess up the word fun, okay? So, alright. So today I have something fun for you guys. We will go through, as I mentioned before, tongue twisters in Slovenian. So we call them Lomilci jezika, which actually translates to tongue breakers. Alright, so I will link the website where I got all of this from in the description. And yeah, let's just begin. I have my computer there, so I will just try reading it, and I will try reading it 3 times fast, so that we see if it's actually hard to say it. Alright, let's begin. Pikčasta ptička u pikčasti kletki. So this means the dotted bird in a dotted cage. So you know when you have little dots, right, as a pattern? So this is what it means, yeah? So, alright, now let's begin. Here, you can say a bad word if you say it wrong. So, I'm kind of nervous now. Alright, so pikčasta ptička u pikčasti kletki. Pikčasta ptička u pikčasti kletki. Pikčasta ptička u pikčasti kletki. Okay, dodge this bullet. Alright, oh god, this was scary. So, alright, second one. Klop pod klop-jo. So this one means a tick, you know, the bug, the insect, under a bench. Okay, so klop pod klop-jo. Klop pod klop-jo. Klop pod... Oh god. Klop pod klop-jo. Okay, try saying it yourself, yeah, it's hard. So klop pod klop-jo. Disaster. Okay, and then let's continue. I will take my computer, it's just gonna make it a bit easier for me. Pešec, pešači, yeah, this is gonna be the disaster. Pešec, pešači, peskasto, cestišče. So, Pešec is a pedestrian, pešači is walking, over, peskasto is sandy or from sand, cestisce is the roadside. So, Pešec, pešači, Pešec pešači čez peskasto cestisce. Pešec pešači čez peskasto cestisce. Pešec pešači čez peskasto Pešec... This is gonna be fun. This is like... I honestly thought this video is gonna be fun and disaster. Okay. You know when you read this and then when you try pronouncing it or saying it yourself, it's... I challenge you to say it yourself and then you will see it's actually really hard. So one more time. Pešec pešači čez peskasto cestišče. Okay, and then this one is fun because this is a palindrom. So in English I believe it's Palindrome or something. Something similar like that. So Perica Keže raci rep. Okay? And with this one, if you read it backwards, it's the same. So Perica is a lady that washes clothes, yeah, so Perica, it's a very traditional way of saying it. So reže is cutting, raci rep, so it means she's cutting the duck's tail, yeah. So Perica Keže raci rep. Alright, this is just for fun, I feel it's not that hard. So, alright, and then I believe this is like my favorite one. So Ježce čez cesto u Stožce So, Ježce čez cesto... Okay. Alright, so first I will just read it slowly. Ježce čez cesto u Stožce po rožce. So, from Ježica, Ježica is a place, čez cesto, over the road, or... Yeah, over the road, yeah, okay. U Stožce, again a place, po rožce, to get some flowers, so to pick up some flowers, to get some flowers. So, I will try fast now. Ježce čez cesto u Stožce po rožce. Ježce čez cesto... Resno? Ježce čez cesto u Stožce po rožce. Ježce čez cesto u Stožce po rožce. Okay, what if we put some rhythm to it? So, Ježce čez cesto u Stožce po rožce. Ježce čez cesto... No, it's not happening. Ježce... Ježce? Res? Ježce čez... Oh, okay, I got it. Ježce čez cesto u rožce... U rožce? No. Od Ježce čez cesto v Stožce po rožce. Od Ježce, okay, I give up. One last time and then we go through all of them again slowly and that's it, okay? So, od Ježce čez cesto v Stožce po rožce. Alright, od Ježce čez cesto v rožce... No, just that. I'm sorry, it's too hard for me. So yeah, okay, these are all. So let's go through them one more time. I will read to them slowly if you wish to learn them as well, or it's just fun to practice speaking Slovene, I guess. Alright, the first one was Pikčasta ptička v pikčasti kletki, right? And then we said klop pod klop-jo, right? Klop pod klop-jo, okay? And then there was the palindrom, right? So Perica, reže, raci, rep. Perica, reže, raci, rep. Alright, and then we had Pešec, Pešec, pešači, čez, peskasto, cestišče. Alright, Pešec, pešači, okay, I messed it up, I'm sorry. Pešec, pešači, čez, peskasto, cestišče. Alright, if you say it slow, I feel like it goes. And my favorite one, this one is od Ježce čez cesto v Stožce po rožce. Alright, so od Ježce čez cesto v Stožce po rožce. Alright, so this was supposed to be yesterday's video since it was the 1st of April, so 1. April, the April Fools. I just wanted to do something fun, but I hope it's okay that it's on the 2nd of April and that you still enjoyed it. I hope that you try yourself to say these sentences very quickly as I did, so it's always, you know, say it 3 times fast, right? And let me know how it goes, yeah? So maybe you will struggle as much as I did, even though I've been saying this thing since I was a kid, okay? And I still cannot do it, so it was really bad with some, you saw. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao!